Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the best tech tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today we're talking about 7 must-have applications that every student should have on their device. These apps will not only help you ace your schoolwork but also streamline your daily tasks. So let's jump right in. First up, we have Notion. This app is like a Swiss Army knife for organization. You can create to-do lists, take notes, manage projects, and even collaborate with classmates. Whether you're planning a group project or just trying to keep track of your study schedule, Notion has you covered. Next, we have Microsoft OneNote. It's a fantastic digital notebook that lets you organize your notes in a way that's intuitive and easy to navigate. You can type, draw, and even add audio notes. It's perfect for capturing lecture notes and keeping everything in one place. Google Drive is a classic, but absolutely essential. It offers cloud storage for all your documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. Plus, with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, you can collaborate in real time with classmates, making group projects a breeze. Grammarly is your go-to tool for writing. It checks your grammar, spelling, and even suggests style improvements. Whether you're writing an essay or sending an email, Grammarly ensures your writing is polished and professional. For task management, Todoist is a lifesaver. It helps you keep track of assignments, deadlines, and personal tasks with ease. You can set priorities, due dates, and even integrate it with your calendar. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Now let's talk about Focus. Forest is an app that helps you stay productive by planting virtual trees. When you need to concentrate, you plant a tree, and it grows as long as you stay off your phone. It's a fun way to maintain focus and build healthy study habits. Last but not least, Evernote. It's an all-in-one workspace for everything from note-taking to task management. You can clip web articles, scan documents, and even search your handwritten notes. It's a great tool for keeping your academic and personal life organized. So there you have it, 7 essential apps for every student. These tools will help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your game both in school and in your daily life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.